Good morning, friends. What do you see in this picture? A man pulling a log, a boy pushing a ball with a bat, there is a girl pushing a cart, and the boy and the girl are now at home fighting with each other. In all these cases, what we commonly observe is one or the other way, all of them are applying force. Force is a push or pull applied to the body. Force is actually how the body interacts with its surroundings. Even when the body is in stationary condition, the body is experiencing certain different types of forces like gravitational force and frictional force. So force will decide the state of motion of an object. Have you ever played tug of war with your friends? Of course you must have played. Here I have two teams playing tug of war. Tell me which one of them is going to win? Of course, looking at the situation, anybody can say that none of them are going to win. Why? Because both of them are applying an equal force in opposite directions and there will be no net change in state of motion of the rope. So none of them is going to move. Such type of forces are called as balanced forces. So both the teams are applying a balanced force on the rope, so there is no net change in state of motion. Now let us see what happens after some time. Yes, one of the teams is applying more force than the other one. Now the force is unbalanced, and due to unbalanced force, one of the team is able to pull the rope towards their direction and the team wins. So in all, if you see, if the forces are balanced, there will be no net change in state of motion of an object. Whereas in case if the forces are unbalanced, then only effect of force is observed. It's story time. I'm going to tell you a story of a boy named Raju. His uncle lived in London and he sent a big box of gifts to him. Raju was so happy that he started pushing the box into his room so that he could open it and see what his uncle has sent. He was trying hard to push the box but was not able to move even an inch. Then he decided to take the help of his friend Bablu. Bablu started helping Raju with pushing the box. Both of them were pushing the box with their full might but were not able to move the box. Can you tell me what mistake are they committing? Yes, they are applying force in opposite direction. When it clicked to Raju, what he did was he suggested Bablu that we both must apply force in the same direction, then only the force will be unbalanced and the box will show movement. Then both the friends applied force from the same direction. The box moved into Raju's room, and the moment he opened the box, he was so happy to see the remote controlled car. Both the friends started playing with it. So, an object moves only when an unbalanced force is applied to it. And the direction of movement will depend upon the total net force applied. Let us see how to calculate it. There is a box where an equal amount of force of 5 newtons is applied from opposite directions. When the force is applied from opposite directions, the forces cancel each other. So 5 newtons will cancel 5 newtons and the net force applied from top to bottom and bottom to top will be 0. Now let us see from left to right and right to left. 5 newtons is applied from both the directions, and since they are applied in opposite directions, the net force is 0. So the box is not going to change its position. Let us see what happens in this case. 5 newtons is applied into the left direction and 25 newtons is again applied into the left direction. Since they are in the same direction, they will be added upon and the net force applied is 30 newtons. So the box will move from right to left with a force of 30 newtons. Triangle is being applied force from all four directions with different magnitudes. From left to right 5 newtons, from right to left 20 newtons is applied. From top to bottom 10 newtons, and from bottom to top 5 newtons is applied. And since these forces are applied in opposite direction, they will be cancelled with each other. And let us try and calculate the net force over this triangle. 10 newtons from top to bottom and 5 newtons from bottom to top, and since they are in opposite direction, they will be cancelled by each other. So the net force applied from top to bottom is 5 newtons. Then 20 newtons applied from right to left and 5 newtons applied from left to right. Since the forces are in opposite direction, they will cancel each other, and a net force of 15 newtons is applied towards the right. Now let us see this example. Both the forces are in same direction. What will happen? We need to add on the forces. If the forces are in the same direction, the forces will be added on. A force of 3 Newton will be added on with a force of 2 Newton, and a total of 5 Newton force is applied from right to left. Hope the things were clear to you all. Till we meet for the next time, try these problems and stay safe. Bye bye.